Okay guys, it's 4th of July. Happy holidays to everyone. We're going to do the random selection of who wins one smart brake module and one smart turn system, auto canceling turn signal system. I'm going to randomly pick the winners right now. I've got everything set up. Everybody's names piled into the pot. I'm going to click on it. It's going to randomly select a person, and then I'm going to randomly grab a box. Well, I don't know who's going to win what. Let's do it. The first winner is Gakarot Gok. You win a smart turn system. I'm going to put your name on a post-it note on top of the box. I'll be contacting you to get all the information from you where I need to mail this thing to. Actually, you're really active on my channel and I appreciate it. Next up is the smart brake module. Let's see who wins. And pick a winner. El Biggie says, I'm in. I just got a Z650. I was test riding it, hit an old patch, low sided, was told to either pay blah blah blah, have it repaired or buy the bike. Bought the bike, have a lot to fix. Winning this would make my year. Well, there you go, buddy. I'm gonna make your year right now. I'll be contacting you, get your address, see where to ship this. So El Biggie. So we have El Biggie. And sorry man, know exactly how to pronounce your name there, and my handwriting sucks. So congratulations to these two guys for being the winners of the giveaway. I'll be contacting you through YouTube or Instagram, either one. That way I can get your address to ship these out to you. Please get with me in a timely manner. If I do not hear back from you guys within a couple weeks, a week or two, I'll have to pick a runner-up. And thanks again to the guys at Smart Turn Systems for allowing me to do the install and review of these products. Super cool talking to you guys. I appreciate it. And thanks to all my viewers and subscribers, and to the new folks that tuned in to see what this video was about. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you don't miss out on any future giveaways, motorcycle rides, product reviews, how-tos, all that good stuff. Happy 4th of July, folks. Stay safe out there. Don't be drinking and riding or drinking and driving. Stay safe. Enjoy the fireworks. Until next time, ride safe.